Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use the Liquid Glass FX Pro plugin in After Effects. The link to get the plugin is in the description. If you've never heard of it before, this plugin is super handy. It lets you create Apple-style liquid effects in just one click, without having to do everything manually. Once you've downloaded the file, unzip it. You'll find two items inside: the Liquid Glass FX Pro.jsx bin file and a text file with installation instructions. Open the text file. It will show you the steps to follow based on your operating system, Windows or Mac. Then, copy the JSX bin file into the recommended folder. Once that's done, restart After Effects. Go to the window menu and you'll see Liquid Glass FX Pro listed there. Click it to open the plugin interface. Now let's see how it works. Create a new composition. Add a background. I'm using one of my own here. Create a shape layer and fill it with white. This shape acts as a mask for the effect. Choose the style of the liquid effect you want to apply: classic glass, soft bubble, crystal sharp, neon glow, holographic, etc. For example, I'll go with classic glass and click apply. The plugin will automatically generate multiple layers and a null object to control the effect. And just like that, you'll see a beautiful, smooth refraction effect. It looks super clean and professional. You can also add some text, position it above, and parent it to the null object. That way, when you animate the null, the text moves with it. For example, I set the animation to 1 second, enable the zoom on both X and Y axes, and click Animate. The zoom happens automatically. Then, you can smooth the animation by pressing F9 for a more cinematic result. Of course, you can also change the background, adjust the stroke thickness, tweak blur, contrast, intensity, and more. Basically, everything is customizable, so you can create your own unique style. The link to get the plugin is in the description. It's just $10. If you'd rather create the effect manually, I also have a full tutorial for that. But honestly, if you want to save time, this plugin is absolutely worth the $10. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.